Hello students, today we are going to see our next chapter of composition, that is note writing. How to write note, short notes while we are in urgency and while we have to do the things very soon, and we have to just write a note and rush back to our work. Okay, so how to write these kinds of note we are going to see now. A note can be described as a compressed form of letter which gives information that is precise and important. Only important information is given in the notes. So as you can see, these in the boxes, these are the notes. Means one line, two line of notes are there. Okay. So instead of writing the whole letter, instead of giving the whole story, so we are writing in a short form that this was the thing, and that's why I'll be back, I'll be here, I'm not able to do this thing, this was the reason, and here I'm going. So these are the reasons, or these are the things we can write in a note. So it gives necessary information you need to convey to the person you're writing the note to. For instance, if your mother is not at home, you need or want to visit your friend's house in the main time, you cannot just leave without informing her, right? So you should inform every time when you are going out of your house to your mother. So if your mother is not at home, so what should I do, what should we do? Going to friend's house, and that time only, that is also important, and informing mother is also important. So what should we do at that time? Okay. Of course, these days we can simply call to our mothers. Okay. So but in case it is not possible to do so, if you are having network issue, if your mother is having network issue, and if she has forgotten to take her mobile with herself, so what should we do at that time? If it is not possible, so what should we do? You may simply leave a note informing her about your whereabouts, so she is not worried when she returns home. Okay, you should write a simple note. It would rather silly to write her a long letter, as you all need to do is mention where are you and when you will be back. Okay. सो सिंपली वॉट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू जस्ट राइट कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हो और आप वापस कब तक आओगे. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर मम्मी, आई एम गोइंग टू Kritika's house, will be back by 7:30 p.m. You should write, mention your date, your name, and for whom you are writing a note, and the note. Simple. It is a very simple lesson or simple chapter, we can say. There are a few rules, but these are also having rules. Okay, so there are some a few rules that should be kept in mind while writing a note. So what are they? We will see. A note never has any address mentioned on it as letter does. So it is not having any kind of address. This was the first rule. Language used is very simple. The note is usually written in a simple past or simple present tense. Okay. So the second rule is that the language should be very simple. Only in the simple past tense or simple present tense it should be. A note should not exceed two or three lines, otherwise it does not remain a note any longer. हमें कभी भी अपने नोट को 2 और 3 लाइन्स से ज़्यादा एक्सीड नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि फिर ये नोट ही नहीं बचेगा. ओके, इट विल बिकम ए लेटर, एक लेटर बन जाएगा. अगर 2-3 लाइन से बड़ा कर दिया तो वो इट विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू द लेटर. ओके. सो what are the 3 rules? फर्स्ट, इसमें एड्रेस नहीं होना चाहिए. सेकेंड वन, लैंग्वेज शुड बी सिंपल इन अ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस और सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. और थर्ड वन, इट शुड नॉट एक्सीड more than 2 or 3 lines. Okay. So we should see the examples. Here are a few more examples. See, as in 17 June 2015, it is a date for Mr. White. For we are to whom we are writing this note, we should mention his name, give a comma, then your parcel is kept on your desk, it arrived early this morning. M.A. Iyer. So this was the note from M.A. Iyer to Mr. White that it is about the parcel and when it has arrived and where it is, okay, located. So the next one, 20th May 2015 for Chitra. The notice for Chitra and from Meera it is. So had come for my Harry Potter book, but you were not at home. Please send it back as soon as possible. So here it is that मैं अपने तुम्हारे घर पे अपनी हैरी पॉटर बुक लेने के लिए आई थी लेकिन तुम घर पे नहीं थे, तो ये नोट पढ़ो और मुझे वो बुक मेरी वापस कर दो जितना जल्दी हो सके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, 15 January 2015 for Ritu Didi and from Shilpa it is. Swapna had called. She will be coming home this evening to meet you. Please be there at 6 p.m. Then some Swapna named girl is coming to home to meet Ritu Didi. It can be her friend. So please be at home. She is saying that. Who? Shilpa. So these are the notes. Now now the next one, 2nd June 2015 for Nikhil from Sanket. Make sure you complete your map work. Tomorrow is submission date. This can be reminder that these kinds of reminder can also be a note. Means कल submission है आपको आपकी map work complete करना है. For Nikhil from Sanket. 25th August 2015. Next one, Ritu for Mr. Shah. Okay. The meeting of board of directors has been postponed until the further notice. Please don't travel to head office. हेड ऑफिस की जो मीटिंग थी बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स के साथ वो पोस्टपोन हो गई है. सो आपको ट्रैवल करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. छोटा सा नोट था. अगर इसकी जगह पे लेटर आया होता तो वो जो इंसान है मिस्टर शाह वो पूरा लेटर पढ़ते रहते एंड किस वजह से क्यों नहीं वो डायरेक्टली बाद में पूछ सकते हैं. बस इतना इन्फॉर्म कर दिया कि तुम्हें ट्रैवल नहीं करना है. सो अर्जेंसी के लिए नोट्स आर द बेस्ट. ओके. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जस्ट अ सिंपल वन होमवर्क एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.1. लीव अ नोट फॉर योर बॉस इन्फॉर्मिंग हिम that the meeting that morning has been postponed by 2 days. Okay, so this is a simple homework you have to write. I will uh, also give a clue here. You have to just mention a date. For example, tomorrow will be 10 January 2021. So you have to just write the date as it is writing here. That is, you have to mention 10th 10. You have to write the number 10 th and then January in spelling, then give a comma and 2021 in numbers, and then you have to write for boss comma the meeting for morning. The morning meeting we can write start from here. The morning meeting has been postponed by 2 days. Okay. And you if you want to write you can write the imaginary reason also, because the clients are not there. You can write, and at the last you can write your name. This is the simple homework for this. Okay. So you have to just complete this homework. And home assignment क्या ये बाद में करना है, आपको अभी नहीं करना है. ओनली यू हैव टू राइट द एक्सरसाइज. होम असाइनमेंट आपको बाद में करना है. Okay, so do complete this exercise. Thank you.